Did you know that the average person could be carrying up to 20 pounds of waste in their colon without even knowing it? Yes, you heard that right. Studies suggest that poor diet, lack of fiber, stress, and dehydration can all lead to a clogged, toxic colon. And when your colon is not clean, your whole body suffers. This video is important because it can help you avoid serious problems like chronic constipation, bloating, gas, skin issues, and even colon cancer. Most people try to solve these problems with chemical laxatives, but that's a mistake. These laxatives only give short-term relief. They don't fix the real issue, and over time they make your digestive system weaker. That's why you need a natural solution that is safe, gentle, and effective. In this video, we're going to show you one powerful drink that can clean your entire colon in just 10 minutes. Yes, just one glass. It's that simple. And the best part? You probably already have the ingredients in your kitchen. So, let's talk about what's really going on inside your gut. Your colon is the last part of your digestive system. Its job is to absorb water and push out waste, but when waste moves too slowly, it dries up and sticks to your colon walls. This leads to constipation, discomfort, and even toxic buildup. That toxic waste then leaks into your bloodstream. This can cause headaches, fatigue, mood swings, and even body odor. Your skin may break out. You may gain weight. Your immune system may weaken. That's why colon health is so important. A clean colon means a clean body. So now let's talk about what you can do. Naturally. No pills, no chemicals, just real food and water. The drink we're going to show you today is made with 5 simple ingredients: warm water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, chia seeds, and Himalayan pink salt. Each of these works in a special way to help clean your intestines and remove old waste. First, let's look at warm water. Drinking warm water, especially on an empty stomach, helps your intestines relax. It improves circulation and wakes up your digestive system. It softens any dry stool and helps move it through your gut. Think of it like pouring warm water down a clogged pipe. It loosens everything up. Next, we have lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and natural acids. These acids help break down food and support your liver. Your liver makes bile, which is needed for digestion. Lemon juice also kills bad bacteria and helps the colon flush out old waste. It has a cleansing effect that is both gentle and powerful. Third is apple cider vinegar, also known as ACV. ACV contains acetic acid, enzymes, and probiotics. These support your gut health. They help kill harmful germs and balance the pH in your stomach. This means better digestion and less bloating. ACV also helps good bacteria grow in your gut, which is key to overall health. Studies in the Journal of Functional Foods have shown that vinegar can improve digestion and help control blood sugar. Fourth is chia seeds. These tiny seeds are full of fiber. When you soak them in water, they swell and form a gel-like texture. This gel acts like a broom. It goes through your intestines and sweeps out waste and toxins. Chia seeds also keep you full longer and help with blood sugar control. They feed your good gut bacteria and support regular bowel movements. And finally, Himalayan pink salt. This salt is full of minerals like magnesium and potassium. It helps pull water into your colon. This makes your stool softer and easier to pass. It also supports your electrolyte balance. Unlike table salt, Himalayan salt is unprocessed and natural. Now, let's go over how to make this amazing drink. It's super easy. First, take 1 glass of warm water. Not too hot, just warm. Then squeeze half a lemon into it. Add 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Stir well. Finally, add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. Stir again and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This gives the chia seeds time to swell. Once it's ready, drink it slowly. Sip it on an empty stomach, preferably first thing in the morning. Most people feel the effect in just 10 to 30 minutes. You may feel the urge to go to the bathroom. That's normal. That's your body letting go of waste it has been holding on to. You may also feel lighter and more energetic. Your belly may look flatter. Your bloating may reduce. Your mind may feel clearer. That's because this drink doesn't just clean your colon, it resets your whole digestive system. It supports your liver. It helps good bacteria grow. It helps remove toxins stored in your fat cells. And it improves nutrient absorption. This means your body will now get more from the food you eat. You'll feel full faster. You'll crave less junk food. You'll even sleep better. All from one simple drink. But wait, this is not magic. You still need to make good choices. Drink water throughout the day. Eat more fiber from fruits and vegetables. Avoid too much processed food. Move your body every day. Even a 10-minute walk can help your bowels stay active. And take care of your stress. Stress slows down your digestion. It tightens your muscles and blocks the flow. Deep breathing, meditation, or just quiet time can make a big difference. Some people think colon cleansing is only for sick people or older adults. That's not true. If you're eating fast food, sitting a lot, or not drinking enough water, your colon may already be clogged. Kids, teens, adults, everyone can benefit from better digestion. And the best part is, it's easy. This one drink can help kickstart a healthier gut. It's gentle, it's natural, and it's cheap. You don't need fancy powders or expensive detox kits. Just 5 things from your kitchen. If you're thinking, this sounds too simple to work, that's okay. Many people are surprised by the results. Some feel relief after one drink. Others notice better sleep and clearer skin after a few days. It's not just about going to the bathroom. It's about feeling alive again. Your body works hard every day. Give it a little help. Start with your gut. That's where true health begins. Everything from your mood to your immunity to your weight is linked to your gut. So why not keep it clean? Why not help it heal? You have nothing to lose, except old, toxic waste. Remember, this drink is not for everyday use long-term. Try it once a day for 3 to 5 days. Then use it once or twice a week for maintenance. If you are pregnant, nursing, have kidney disease, or take medication, talk to your doctor first. It's always better to be safe. But for most people, this drink is gentle and safe. So go ahead. Try it. 1 glass, 1 chance. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel. In the next part of the video, we'll explain exactly what happens inside your body after drinking this. We'll also answer common questions, like how often to drink it, what to eat with it, and what to expect if you're using it for the first time. So keep watching, because your health starts now. Now that you've made and tried the drink, let's talk about what actually happens inside your body after you drink it. This isn't just about going to the bathroom. This is a full body reset. First, the warm water starts working immediately. It softens old, dry waste stuck in your colon. It hydrates your intestines and gently stimulates movement. Your gut muscles, also called smooth muscles, begin to contract. This wave-like motion is called peristalsis. It's how your body moves waste along your digestive tract. Next, the lemon juice activates enzymes in your liver and stomach. These enzymes help break down any leftover food sitting in your gut. The acid from the lemon also helps kill off bad bacteria and fungi that may be growing in your colon. That's important because bad bacteria can cause gas, bloating, and even inflammation. Then the apple cider vinegar kicks in. ACV balances your stomach acid levels. It helps kill off harmful microbes and supports the growth of good bacteria. This shift in your gut microbiome can improve your digestion, reduce sugar cravings, and boost your immunity. When your gut has more good bacteria, your whole body feels better. Studies show that a healthy gut can even reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. That's the power of the gut-brain connection. Now let's talk about chia seeds. These little seeds are like magic. Once they absorb water, they expand and form a jelly-like coating. This gel acts like a sponge in your intestines. It traps toxins, cholesterol, and old waste. It also slows down digestion just enough to allow your body to absorb more nutrients. As it passes through your colon, the gel cleans your intestinal walls. It's like a gentle sweep through your gut. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't irritate. It just helps your body do what it was meant to do, eliminate waste naturally. And then we have the Himalayan pink salt. This pulls water into your colon, softens everything inside, and stimulates natural contractions. Salt also brings important minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium. These are needed for muscle movement, including the muscles in your digestive tract. Without them, your bowels can become sluggish. All of this starts to happen within 10 to 30 minutes of drinking this colon-cleansing mix. You might feel a rumble in your stomach. You might feel pressure, and honestly, you may need to go to the bathroom. That's a good sign. It means your body is ready to let go of the waste it's been holding for days, weeks, or even longer. But this is not a harsh flush like a chemical laxative. It's a gentle release. And after it's over, most people feel lighter, clearer, and more energized. Some people even report losing 1 or 2 pounds of waste in just one day. But it's not just about weight. It's about how you feel. Your stomach feels flat. Your skin starts to clear up. Your head feels less foggy. You might even sleep better. That's because your body isn't working overtime trying to fight off toxins. It can finally relax and heal. Your gut is like your second brain. When it's clogged, you feel tired, moody, and sick. When it's clean, you feel alive. But here's something even more interesting. After using this drink for a few days, your digestion may naturally improve. You may find that you're going to the bathroom more regularly, even without the drink. That means your body is learning how to function better on its own. That's what real healing looks like. Not something you have to depend on forever. Just something that helps your body remember what it's supposed to do. This drink helps reset your digestion, clean your colon, and create a fresh start. And that's priceless. Now let's answer some common questions. First, how often should you drink it? If you're new to cleansing, try it once a day for 3 to 5 days. Always drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. After that, you can use it 1 or 2 times a week just for maintenance. What about food? Can you eat right after? It's best to wait 20 to 30 minutes after drinking it. Let your body finish cleansing before adding more food. When you do eat, go for fiber-rich meals. Think fruits, veggies, whole grains, and legumes. These support digestion and keep your colon clean. Avoid processed foods, fried snacks, and too much dairy. These clog your system and undo your progress. Next question. Can this drink cause cramps or discomfort? For some people, yes, especially if your colon is really backed up. But it's usually very mild and short-lived. Drink extra water throughout the day to stay hydrated. That will help flush out the toxins and reduce any discomfort. Another common question. Is this drink safe for everyone? While it's natural, it may not be suitable for everyone. If you have kidney disease, heart problems, are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medications, please check with your doctor first. The ingredients are gentle, but your body may have special needs. Better to be safe than sorry. Now, let's go a little deeper. What are the long-term benefits of a clean colon? First, better nutrient absorption. If your colon is full of waste, nutrients from your food can't get through. That means even if you eat healthy, your body might still be starving for vitamins and minerals. Second, improved immune function. About 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. If your gut is clean and balanced, your body is better able to fight off infections. Third, reduced inflammation. A clogged colon leaks toxins into your bloodstream. This causes inflammation throughout your body. That leads to joint pain, skin problems, fatigue, and even brain fog. Clean your colon, and the inflammation goes down. Fourth, better mental health. Your gut produces most of your serotonin. That's your happy hormone. If your gut is dirty, your mood can crash. A clean gut helps regulate your emotions, reduce anxiety, and improve your sleep. Fifth, easier weight loss. A toxic colon slows your metabolism. It also makes you crave sugar and junk food. When your colon is clean, you feel full faster, burn fat more efficiently, and crave healthier foods. All of this from just one simple drink. But remember, it's not a magic fix. It's a tool. Use it wisely. Support it with good habits. Eat more plants. Drink more water. Move your body every day. Sleep well. And manage stress. Your gut responds to all of these. This drink is the first step, not the only step. But it's a powerful beginning. For many people, it's the turning point. It gives them the boost they need to start living healthier. Now here's a bonus tip. If you want to make this drink even more powerful, add a pinch of ground ginger or turmeric. Ginger helps reduce inflammation and supports digestion. Turmeric helps clean the liver and supports your immune system. Just a small amount can make a big difference. You can also add a teaspoon of raw honey for taste and extra healing power. But always keep the main ingredients the same. Those are the core of the cleanse. And remember, consistency is key. Don't just try it once and forget it. Make it a habit. Make it a ritual. Your body will thank you, and you'll start noticing the change. Day by day, week by week. You'll feel cleaner, lighter, and more in control of your health. So what are you waiting for? You don't need to spend money on fancy detox programs. You don't need to suffer with bloating or constipation anymore. You just need 1 glass, 5 ingredients, and 10 minutes of your time. You deserve to feel good. You deserve a clean gut. You deserve a fresh start. And it all begins with this simple drink. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Share it with your friends and family. Someone you know might really need this. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy, natural health tips. Every week, we bring you science-backed, kitchen-based solutions that really work. Your health is in your hands. So take the first step. Cleanse your colon, heal your gut, and feel better than you have in years. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself from the inside out.